Hello friends, in last few videos we have discussed about the interest on drawing. Here I am again with the interest on drawing but a different case where we are provided with a different sum withdrawn by a partner at the different dates. Like in this question, on 31st May, a partner has withdrawn 10,000 rupees. On 1st of June, he has withdrawn 5,000 rupees. On 30th September, he has withdrawn 20,000 rupees. On 31st March, he has withdrawn 8,000 rupees. Now let's see how to solve this. For the different dates, we will calculate the usage months left. Okay, if he is withdrawing on 31st May and year is ending on 31st March, that means what over here, that April and May month have gone. He withdrawn on last date out of 12. If 10 2 months have gone, how many months he can make use of the money is 10 months. That is, you have to move onwards from 31st May, that would be June, July, August, September till March, right? June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. How many months were left? 10. When he has withdrawn the second sum on 1st June, although one day have passed, so with the one day passage, the months would remain the same, that is 10 months. Now, if he has withdrawn on 30th September, the how many months were left over here? October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. 6 months over here. But if he has withdrawn on 31st March, that is last day of the year, no month is left. So here it is a value 0. Now, this case where different sums are withdrawn at different dates, we do this question with the product method. What does the product method says? That you have to multiply your drawings with the number of months left. So 10,000 into 10 we got 1 lakh, 5,000 into 10 we got 50,000, 20,000 into 6 we got 1 lakh 20,000, and 80,000 into 0 we got 0 value over here. So how much is the total sum over here? That is 2,70,000. We will take this total sum of rupees 2,70,000 along with the rate interest on drawings. As we have taken months already, now the leftover is that we have to divide it with 12. So I took over the value here, that is 1 upon 12, because already months have been taken. So here no further month is to be taken, just a single value, neutral value. We took 1 and then we divided by 12. So how much was the interest on drawing for per annum in this particular case for this particular party is rupees 2,250. Thank you, Accountitude. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.